At Yew Tree House we have an electric hob. To use the hob you'll find you have the dials on the right hand side, and you can see the circle corresponds to the ring. So this one is for this one goes to the rear left, then you have front left and then front right. The power is dictated by the number. So for example 1 is the lowest setting, 6 is the highest. To turn it on, just turn it on and you'll see that this will then heat up. And then to turn off, just turn it off. Be careful, this will be hot afterwards, so don't put anything on here that shouldn't be, otherwise it could be burnt, and just be careful yourself because whilst it may look off, it will still be hot. Thank you.